Okay na. Huwag maingay. Congratulations, Bembet and G, and thank you for allowing us to be a part of your special day. Wish namin Kuya Mike, sana may God be the center of your relationship. And bear these things in mind. Patience for each other, love for each other, faith in God, but most of all, respect for one another. Kasi kahit wala na yung iba, basta may respect kayo para sa isa't isa, your marriage and union will work. Sana, in the future, God will bless you with healthy children and cute little ones, like katulad ng dalawa. And, Bembet, sana alisin mo na yung pagiging perfectionist mo, hindi yan mag-work marriage kasi wala namang perfect na relationship. But rather, mag-work kayo sa relationship na God-centered. Sana palagi niyong isip yung will ni God, and if there's an opportunity to serve others, sana makapag-serve din kayo katulad ng mga titos and titas sa community. Again, may God bless your union. Good luck, God bless, and salamat.
Congratulations! Palakpakan!